Hello everyone, so this week we had a problem in this CNC machine, and the problem was we were using this tape measure to position the workpiece, the worktop, and the problem was that we need to put it at a specific position. So currently we were using this tape measurement and we should put it at 70 centimeters. So the problem was that the operator confused this 70 with this 7, so we were 3 centimeters off the desired position, and so the worktop was not good, so we needed to replace the worktop. So that was a problem. The first improvement that we made was, instead of using this tape measurement, it's very hard to see the numbers, but we decided to change the tape measurement. So we changed to this one, and as you can see, you have much better resolution. You can see perfectly. This one you can't even read it correctly. So with this new tape measurement, it's easier to get to the right measurement. In this case, it was 70, much easier than with the other one. But then we thought if we could do even better and create a poka yoke, and the poka yoke is this. So we have this, our base origin for the machine. So now we use this, and it is exactly at the dimension that we want, the 70. Exactly at the position we want, but we don't need tape measures anymore. So with this poka yoke, we have every time the precise position without tape measurements, and with the added benefit that when we are positioning this is like an extra bonus. With position, we have this physical stop that we didn't have with the tape measurement. So much easier. We fix what bugs us, and yeah. Less chances to have problems in the future. So the problem happened, we thought about the improvement, and now it's easier. Take care, bye bye.